7. Evidence-based health benefits of kombucha. Kombucha is a fermented tea that has been consumed for thousands of years. Not only does it have the same health benefits as tea, it's also rich in beneficial probiotics. Kombucha also contains antioxidants that can kill harmful bacteria and may help fight several diseases. Here are the top health benefits of kombucha. 1. Kombucha contains several species of lactic acid bacteria which may have probiotic function. Probiotics provide your gut with healthy bacteria. These bacteria can improve many aspects of health, including digestion, inflammation and even weight loss. 2. Kombucha may provide the benefits of green tea. Kombucha made from green tea contains many of the same plant compounds and presumably boasts some of the same benefits. Green tea contains many bioactive compounds, such as polyphenols, which function as powerful antioxidants in the body. Studies show that drinking green tea regularly can increase the number of calories you burn. Studies also show that green tea drinkers have a reduced risk of prostate, breast and colon cancers. 3. Kombucha contains antioxidants. Antioxidants are substances that fight free radicals, reactive molecules that can damage your cells. Kombucha, especially when made with green tea, appears to have antioxidant effects in your liver. Rat studies consistently find that drinking kombucha regularly reduces liver toxicity caused by toxic chemicals, in some cases by at least 70%. 4. Kombucha can kill bacteria. Kombucha made from black or green tea appears to have strong antibacterial properties like the polyphenols in tea. Acetic acid is able to kill many potentially harmful microorganisms. These antimicrobial effects suppress the growth of undesirable bacteria and yeasts, but they do not affect the beneficial, probiotic bacteria and yeast. 5. Kombucha may reduce heart disease risk. Rat studies show that kombucha can greatly improve two markers of heart disease, bad LDL and good HDL cholesterol, in as few as 30 days. Even more importantly, tea, especially green tea, protects LDL cholesterol particles from oxidation, which is thought to contribute to heart disease. 6. Kombucha can reduce heart disease. Reduced blood sugar levels from drinking kombucha. It also improved liver and kidney function. Kombucha made from green tea is likely to be even more beneficial, as green tea itself has been shown to reduce blood sugar levels. In fact, a review study of almost 300,000 individuals found that green tea drinkers had an 18% lower risk of becoming diabetic. 7. Kombucha may help protect against cancer. In test tube studies, kombucha helped prevent the growth and spread of cancerous cells due to its high concentration of tea polyphenols and antioxidants. However, it's thought that the polyphenols block gene mutation and growth of cancer cells while also promoting cancer cell death. Drink up.